I'm home. Oh man, what a day. So much traffic, I'm glad I'm home. Maybe I should sell my car and buy a van.
Doorgewezen. En dat is net een dag als ze me dat vertelde dat in mijn hoofd schoot. Want ze had dat al gezegd op de zondag.
Soda. Maybe on my morning routine. No, that's too much of a level. Don't have to fake him. Maybe about my camera. No. You're passionate. It is hard to be an overthinker. There's so much going on in your head that you're missing 90% of what's really happening at the moment. This can lead to frustration of your loved ones, missing that one epic bit of the movie, or not enjoying your meal to the fullest. In my quest of silencing those voices in my head, I came across a video by Yes Theory about Wim Hof. I already heard so much about Wim, but I haven't really gotten in depth with his methods. Apparently, he has won multiple titles in the Guinness Book of World Records, like swimming over 50 meters under ice water, or the longest full body contact with ice. Also, he climbed the Mount Everest in his underwear. Just one question, how did he accomplish all that? Wim Hof is also known as the Iceman. Since his wife died of depression, he searched for many cures and forms of meditation to process his grief. He found his way to cold exposure. By exposing his body to extreme cold, he claims that this practice has many positive benefits. He calls his theory the Wim Hof method. Together with cold exposure, there are these breath exercises he calls breathwork. And that's what I'm going to try. After doing some research, breathwork can be very beneficial for many things like
boosting your positive self-development, crank up your immune system, reduce stress and anxiety, overcome addictions, release negative thoughts.
So as much as it creeped me out, it also sparked my interest so much that I decided to give it a try. This is my experience with breathwork. Wim Hof has an app that seems great for any beginners getting into breathwork. After seeing the documentary, I wanted the OG as a teacher to learn his ways. I'm searching right now for the yoga mat. Found it. Bob, what do you think? Is it going to be something for me? Yes or no? I think that's a yes. I think for this experiment I'm going to do the guided breathing sessions. There are 5 sessions for free, and then afterwards, when those 5 sessions ended, you have to pay per month or per year. For having a comfortable first experience, Wim recommends sitting up or laying down. I chose to lay down on my yoga mat in a comfortable environment, like for instance my living room. I'm going to do around 5 sessions every day. As soon as I get the feeling I'm pretty relaxed, it would be enough. First impressions, I feel great. I felt a numbing feeling over my arms. It started during the 3rd round, I think. I focused on my heartbeat, trying to slow it down, and the minutes just flew by. Wim's methods have been severely frowned upon, especially since there have been cases of death blaming his breathing techniques. But many blogs, videos and articles have proven that the positive cases outweigh the negative. Right, it is time for day 2 of the breathwork test. Alright, that was it. Another great session. It feels, just very relaxing. And once again, I almost made the 3-minute mark. So no improvements, but we'll see what the future will bring. I'm very excited. Tomorrow I have a wedding shoot. I know myself and I know I'm going to be nervous. So we'll see what the effect will be after the shoot. I'm back from the wedding. It was exhausting, but also very touching because it were friends of mine and I really enjoyed taking pictures for them. Also for this session I'm going to lay in my bed. Once again I just feel very relaxed. My maximum round was again 2 minutes 55 seconds. What I noticed was then after 2 minutes I feel like the blackness is closing in. I can definitely imagine that some people are fainting because they want to extend their barrier. You know, it doesn't seem very healthy to me to faint. I think it's because of oxygen deprivation, and I don't want to experience that. Maybe I'm missing out on some psychedelic effects. I'm not very eager right now to experience that. Maybe that's something for in the future, but I'm not quite ready for that yet. I was interested to see how long the record was for the longest breath hold in the world, and it's now held by a Croatian freediver for a whopping 24 minutes and 37 seconds. Okay, today is the 6th day and it is also my final day. Before I will start my final breathwork session, I'm going to hold my breath without using the Wim Hof method. Pretty curious how the results will be. I have 45 seconds. Now I got this out of the way, I'm going to do my final breathwork session, for this video at least.
Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out.
I'm officially done with the exercises. Today my longest round was 2 minutes and 46 seconds. My whole body was tingling and I think I started to panic a little bit. So maybe I have to push the boundaries or give in to the feeling. I don't know, but every day is not the same. I can imagine that in the long run you'll definitely reap many benefits, and that's why I'm going to continue these exercises. So I hope by making this video I have sparked an interest for you to do also breathwork. I highly recommend using the app by Wim Hof, or otherwise you can start with a breathwork teacher. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then you know what to do. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.